Welcome back friends. Today in this episode I will be talking about importance of research. Research is crucial in whatever you do today. Now let me give you all examples to make my point clear. As a media faculty, I have noticed that most of y'all just try to complete assignments, projects without putting too much thought to it. Many of y'all start making projects at the last moment. Remember, just by clicking first two links of Google search, you can't do a good job. You need to delve deeper. Brainstorm on the topic thoroughly. Visit your college library often. Read books and broaden your vision. Mostly media students have a tendency to wail away their time. Research will help you not only to do your internal assessment better, but also hone your understanding of various subjects. Now since it's locked down everywhere, try to make use of National Digital Library. It's a free platform where you can read on variety of subjects. Also, you can look into various courses that is offered by EDX Coursera. Even if you don't want to pay for the certificate, it's fine. You can go through the content and try to bring in more understanding of the concepts. As media is dynamic by nature, you should keep yourself updated with current market trends, news, current affairs. Read e-papers as far as possible. I have come across useful websites like afaqs.com. It's very good for students who want to get into advertising industry. afaqs.com not only discusses about the current situation that is happening in the advertising world, strategies that has been developed, also talks about variety of case studies. So this will help you to know the industry better. Exchangeformedia.com is also very good. Similarly, you can look into firstpost.com. Quint is also one very good example. If you want to get into freelance writing or probably want to get into feature writing, you can look into Your Story, Better India. Whether you want to become a journalist or an ad filmmaker, research is pivotal for your better understanding. If you want to make an ad commercial, you have to know the variety of the various kinds of ads that have got released in recent times, not only in India but even abroad. Similarly, if you're given to cover sports event of hockey, if you don't know how the game is played, the number of players, the rules of the games, etc., you will do a shoddy job. If you want to make a short film, you need to research and understand what kinds of topics would enthrall your audience and then accordingly make a film. If you are a brand manager, market research is crucial for launching any strategy. Suppose you want to become a digital marketer, you should know about various examples of digital storytelling that has happened in recent times. Observations, on-the-job experience, thorough reading of secondary source of information, interviewing people, discussions will enable you to develop yourself. Research will help you to develop perspective scientifically. Suppose you want to get into television industry, you should be studying the viewership, know the TRPs, understand where the audience is coming from, what kind of programming is getting popularity. Similarly, documentaries, web series, movies, etc. You should be doing research and understand the need of the market. Nowadays, OTT platforms are developing too much. So you should be looking at variety of content and understanding which particular audience is actually watching those content. So friends, keep researching, enriching yourself every time. Research will empower you with knowledge. And please do efficient learning of it so that it will help you in future. Now, I would like to end the episode with Steve Jobs' quote, "Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow know what you truly want to become." Stay safe, stay blessed. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much. See you soon.